Every time you send a message, watch a video, or load a website, you're using TCP IP. It's the invisible language of the internet. And today, I'm going to show you how it works. In just a few minutes, you'll understand what makes the internet tick and why every hacker, IT pro, and everyday user should care. So, what is TCP IP? TCP IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. It's not one thing, it's a stack of protocols. These protocols decide how data moves from your device to any other device anywhere in the world. It's not just the web. Email, video calls, online games, they all run on TCP IP. The TCP IP model has four layers: application, transport, internet, and network access. Compare that to the OSI model, which has 7 layers. But the TCP IP is what real networks use. Each layer has its job. Think of it like sending a package. The top layer writes the letter, the next adds an envelope, then a label. Finally, a delivery truck takes it. Together, these layers help your data move from app to server and back. Two major players in the transport layer are TCP and UDP. TCP is reliable. It checks if every piece of data arrives in order. If something gets lost, TCP resends it. UDP is faster, but it doesn't double check anything. You'd use TCP for loading a website or sending an email, but for a live video call or online gaming, UDP wins. Speed matters more than perfection. This is where IP, Internet Protocol, lives. Every device online has an IP address. It's like a digital street address. When you send a request, routers across the internet figure out where to send your data using those addresses. And it's smart. If one path fails, IP routing finds a new one. At the bottom is the network access layer. This handles how data gets transmitted. Wi-Fi, Ethernet, mobile data, all of that happens here. It packages your data into electronic signals or radio waves that travel through real-world cables and antennas. Let's walk through what happens when you type youtube.com in your browser. The application layer sends a request using HTTP. The transport layer, TCP, breaks it into packets. The internet layer adds the IP address and routes it. The network layer sends those packets over Wi-Fi or Ethernet. All that just to load the homepage. But it's not always perfect. What if a packet gets lost? That's where TCP shines. It detects errors with checksums and asks for retransmissions. What about security? Firewalls, network address translation, and protocols like HTTPS help protect data as it travels. But the network still faces threats: man-in-the-middle attacks, spoofing, DDoS attacks, all target the stack. So here's the big picture. TCP/IP is what powers the entire digital world. Understanding it isn't just for nerds. It's for anyone who wants to understand the system that runs our lives. Whether you're learning cybersecurity, studying IT, or just curious, this is your foundation. If this opened your eyes, give that like button a tap and subscribe for more bite-sized content. And if you want a deeper dive into DNS, IP spoofing, and packet sniffing, drop a comment down below. This is Hackbite. See you in the next one.